A lot of people out there who think that running a commercial cleaning business is simple. They think it's easy, right? How hard could it be? Cleaning some restrooms, mopping some floors, maybe dusting some blinds, like really, is it really that challenging? I'm here to tell you guys that couldn't be further from the truth, right? And to prove that to you guys, I am going to document everything that goes into growing a commercial cleaning business. And not just any commercial cleaning business, but one of the best commercial cleaning businesses in the state of Texas, right? I'm gonna document everything from the challenges that we face, the victories that we have, the different milestones that we hit, everything that goes into building this business, I am going to show you guys, right? So maybe this is a good time to introduce myself and welcome you guys to the channel. My name is Roberto. I am the owner, founder, and operator currently of TCP Facility Services. We are located here in the heart of downtown Houston. We are a commercial cleaning business, focus a lot on industrial facilities, office buildings, healthcare facilities, as well as higher education facilities. We're set to do somewhere around $350,000 in revenue. Last year we were around 230. And so I really want to emphasize those numbers to you guys because they're not jaw-dropping numbers, right? They're not in the 7 figures, they're not in the 8 figures, but we have ambitions to get to that point, right? We want to grow our business to that point. However, we're not there yet, and that's totally okay. My reason for starting this channel is pretty simple. I want you guys to see what it looks like to grow a commercial cleaning business from the ground up. We're closer to zero than we are to where we actually want to be, okay? So again, the reason for starting this channel is that you guys can get a behind the scenes look of what it looks like. Not just me teaching you what I think you should know, what I think would help you, but me showing you what it actually looks like to grow and to run a commercial cleaning business in one of the biggest markets in the country, which is Houston, Texas, right? So just to give you guys an example, what can you expect from this channel? Number one, you can expect live documentation of our processes. What does that mean, Berto? Y'all are gonna get to see our building walkthroughs with our customers. Obviously, some customers may not feel comfortable with that, but the ones that do feel comfortable, you guys are gonna get to see how we do a walkthrough with a customer, what our interactions look like, how we talk to customers, everything. You're gonna get to see actual proposals being done. You're gonna get to see us inspecting a building for our quality assurance program. You're gonna get to see us doing a final walkthrough before we start an account. You're gonna get to see not just that, but also how we train our staff, how we implement our training protocols, everything that you can think of. But in reality, like I said, this channel is going to show you guys everything that we do, and we're going to show the milestones with you. We're going to show when we hit 500,000. We're going to show when we hit 750,000. We're definitely going to show and have a big party when we hit that 7-figure mark, right? And when is that going to be? I don't know, and I'm not in a rush. Okay, because we want to do things the right way, and we want to do things with excellence and with a high standard. So I'm probably giving you guys too much in this intro video, but I hope that gives you guys an idea of what to expect from this channel. Nothing is off limits here, all right? We're going to show you guys everything we can, and we want you guys to grow your business. We want us to grow our business, and we want to do it together, right? We want to do this as a community, because as a community, you can go far, right? There's a quote that I really enjoy, that I really like to repeat to people. I don't know who said it, but essentially it goes, by yourself, you can go fast, but together you can go far. All right, and I'm a firm believer in that as we build a community, as we help each other, we can go places that we never even dreamed of, right? And so looking forward to connecting with you guys in different ways, through comments, through direct messages. I look forward to sharing our content with you guys and just interacting and getting to know you. And eventually, hopefully we get to meet in person too. So again, thank you for checking out this channel. If you are interested in anything I just said, hit that subscribe button so you guys can be notified when a new video comes out. And yeah,